you're looking to produce competition quality barbecue in your own backyard, then look no further than the 700FB by Pit Boss. The 700FB is the most versatile cooking appliance ever built. With the standard flame broiler, you can saute, stir fry, cook breakfast, flame broil dinner in just a few minutes, sear and broil steaks, just like your favorite steakhouse. Convection bake anything that you would normally bake in your oven. A pellet grill is hands down the best wood-fired pizza oven available. Smoke your holiday turkey. Of course, the Pit Boss is the perfect appliance to help you produce competition quality barbecue. Operating the Pit Boss is easy. Simply load the pellet hopper with your favorite hardwood pellets. Turn the dial to your desired cooking temperature. Within 10 minutes, the grill automatically lights the pellets and adjusts itself to your desired cooking temperature between 180 to 500 degrees. The grill will maintain that temperature all day. It's that easy. When shopping for your pellet grill, know that all of the following features come standard on the 700FB and are not costly upgrades. Heavy-duty feed system, pellet cleanout, adjustable upper cooking rack, dome thermometer, digital control with wide range of cooking temperatures, convenient grease bucket, bottom shelf for added stability, steel wheel, grease dome to direct the grease to the bucket, and of course the innovative flame broiler that allows you to flame broil burgers and steaks. Smoke, bake, braise, sear, flame broil, saute, grill, and barbecue. Don't be misled by higher-priced competitors. Pit Boss, where quality and economy come together.
Ready to take your taste buds to the next level? Introducing the 700E series from Z Grills.
Hey, I'm Jim, and I'm here to talk about the next evolution in grilling.
The 700E series comes fully equipped with a large 20-pound hopper, a durable stainless steel lid, and a compartment to store all your barbecue essentials. To get started, simply plug it in, fill in the hopper with the wood pellet of your choice, and set it to your desired temperature. The ultimate 7-in-1 barbecue smoker grill can bake, roast, braise, smoke, barbecue, grill, and sear your food to perfection. The 700E series is larger than most other models, and it sits on top of a larger storage unit than similar sized models. Cleaning is a breeze. The grease flows from the grill into the drip bucket, which can be reused for gravy, or you can simply dispose of it. The Z Grill 700E is perfect for any occasion or event.
Buy one today and unleash your inner grill master.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.